guys, it's David, Win August University here. Today I'm actually going to talk about Tesla and what tool I use to watch Tesla as I trade through the market regularly, pretty much every day during when the stock exchange is open. Okay, so Lux Algo is a nice, amazing tracking software that I use. Okay, this is TradingView, so you go to tradingview.com to get this software to analyze the graphs, where you can zoom in by day, 5 day, 1 month. This is the 5 day view here, and then you can change these little bars to set to 5 minute intervals, 15 minute intervals, whatever you want, right? So what's interesting about this is you can really pinpoint the time when it's a good time to buy or sell, okay? And it's extremely accurate when it comes to data. So as things move downward, it'll actually give you a signal to sell. And when things are moving upward, right before the upward trend, it's time to buy. So if you use this as a part of your game plan, on top of your brain a little bit, obviously, um, then you can take action on some serious trades. Okay, right? So you can see the seller pressure there. Now, is it perfect? I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's pretty accurate here, right? You guys can see. Zoom right in a little bit, and it goes up to the minute. So in Lux Algo, you can click on this little bar here and adjust your settings. So in Lux Algo, you can go and change your sensitivity levels, and they teach you how to do this in the training when you get in. But I have mine super sensitive here, so when I actually put to the minute and 5 minute data points, it's actually very accurate. But you can change it to a higher number so that if you're trading more a 15-minute window, 30-minute window, or 30-minute view. So if you go to Lux Algo's website, you'll see different options to buy. So basically it's a trading view add-on, okay, through Lux Algo, and it goes right into your Trading View app. Trading View is free anyway, but if you're like me and you don't like ads, then you get the paid version, and just get some hydration in. So you get a monthly viewpoint here. So you can pay monthly, $67.99 per month. You can pay Visa, Mastercard, Stripe, whatever, and you get all the indicators, VIP Discord group, signal settings, real-time alerts, 24 hours, 7 days a week support, free lifetime updates, and you can cancel anytime. You get the quarterly, you save 30%, and yearly, you save 40. So I'm gonna recommend the yearly because it's if you're really gonna take trading seriously, 1 day of trading can be more than the 489. Let's just be real, right? So you can make enough profit to pay off the yearly in 1 day. So you can do enough, you can do 1 day of trading, one trade. So 1 day you can make your money back. It's just simple as like getting one trade in, make $500 just like that, pay off the account. If you go home here, you can see there's a mobile app as well. So it works with TradingView Mobile, it works with desktop. It's Lux Algo version 3, so they're always improving it. And it takes your mind off of the work, really, because we all get emotional when it comes to trading, whether it stock market, whether it's a forex, whether it's cryptocurrency. So this takes that out of it, out of the equation. It uses the patterns, okay? It uses the momentum of the market. What I like is it does work with crypto as well, not just stocks like Tesla. So you can utilize it for things like following trends for your favorite cryptocurrency. So I'm watching XRP right now. It gives you the signals of a buy pressure or sell pressure. So you can kind of see when there's a top there, it's time to sell, and when it's going down, it's starting to get some momentum. You can buy in. So you would have made some nice gains if you bought in here, sold there, right? Or you can have held a little longer and sold there. You don't have to follow each and every single step, but look there. You knew that there was a top. You can just sold, etc. Okay, so that's XRP. You can use that for let's look at AMC. There was a crazy stuff going on with AMC. You see how accurate this is, right? See how accurate this is. So maybe that one wasn't that accurate, but that's before the boom. No one would have known about that. This just follows the graphs, right? And then we got Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum, okay? So at that point, told you to sell. So it's gonna move downward, and once you see some pressure moving upwards, it's gonna signal you just to make it a little easier on you, right? But I found it very accurate. Let's look at 30-minute view. If you're more a long trader throughout the day, right? By 1331, we told you to sell around 1392. So now you can also zoom out, right? Zoom out. And if you change your sensitivity, it's going to actually look at a longer trend instead of buying and selling throughout the day. It's more of a multiple day or a month view, and you could do that as well. So if you guys are interested in Lux Algo, I love this software. I use this every single day on my phone, every single day on my desktop. Just love it. And the value has paid for itself through just one trade, honestly, just one trade. So you guys can actually, I'm going to have a code for you guys to save 20% on this program. Okay. So you click down below and decide to get Lux Algo, click on my link, and I have a coupon code right under that link. So you guys can save 20% on your Lux Algo purchase. Let me know when you guys get it. And please hit the like button on this video and subscribe as well for future videos. I'm going to be doing some live trading utilizing the software soon as well. But if you guys decide to get in, make sure that you comment I got in. And once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing giveaways. So say you got in. Anyone that says they got in, they like the video and subscribe to me, you're going to get in a draw for $100 in crypto. Okay. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. And if you guys want my opinion on what package you should get with Lux Algo, I do recommend the yearly if you can afford it, especially with the 20% off in addition. So you'll see 40 plus 20 if you use my code, okay? So that's one day of trading if you guys have some decent money invested into your trading accounts. But if you're, kind of just trying to save some money right now, trying to just trial it, $67.99 per month, or even the quarterly. I would say the quarterly because that's almost just like 2 months, but you get for the quarter, okay? But this is David Wynn, August University. And if you guys have any questions, need anything, feel free to reach out to me. I have my information in my description below. And love and appreciate you guys. Good luck trading. Have fun using Lux Algo algorithms. And I'll see you guys in the next one.